Omaha-based company has a new leader. John Henderson has been appointed as the 9th CEO of HDR. The architecture and engineering firm was founded in 1917. Henderson is succeeding Eric Keene, who will continue as chairman of the company's board of directors. Henderson brings a background from the U.S. Department of Defense and previously served as COO of HDR.